Welcome to the HSE Coach. Today, we will discuss the 10 golden safety rules every worker should know. These rules are simple, powerful, and designed to protect you and your team every single day. The first golden rule is always wear the required personal protective equipment. PPE is your first line of defense against injuries. Whether it's a helmet, gloves, safety glasses, safety shoes, a face shield, apron, or harness. Remember this simple line: no PP, no work. Rule 2: report hazards immediately. If you see something unsafe, don't ignore it. Report hazards immediately. Never assume someone else will take care of it. Your quick action can prevent major injuries and even save a life. Rule 3: follow lockout tagout procedures. Never work on energized equipment. Before doing any maintenance, make sure the equipment is properly isolated, locked, tagged, and tested for zero energy. Following lockout tagout saves lives. Rule 4: never enter a confined space without authorization. Confined spaces can be deadly. They may contain toxic gases, low oxygen, or serious engulfment risks. Enter only with a valid permit, proper gas testing, good ventilation, a standby attendant, and a rescue plan in place. Rule 5: use tools and machinery only if you are trained. Do not use any machinery or tools unless you are trained and authorized. Unauthorized operation is one of the top causes of workplace accidents. Be trained, be competent, and when needed, work under proper supervision. Rule 6: maintain good housekeeping. Good housekeeping is good safety. Keep walkways clear. Store materials properly. Clean spills immediately. A clean workplace prevents slips, trips, falls, and even fire hazards. Rule 7: follow safe lifting techniques. Back injuries are painful and long lasting. So, when lifting, keep your back straight, bend your knees, hold the load close to your body, and always use mechanical lifting aids whenever possible. Rule 8: do not work at height without fall protection. Falls from height are one of the leading causes of workplace fatalities. If you are working above 1.8 meters, use fall protection such as a full body harness, anchored lifelines, guardrails, and make sure scaffolds or ladders are properly inspected. Rule 9: never bypass safety devices. Machine guards, emergency stops, alarms, and safety sensors are installed for your protection. Never bypass or tamper with them. Doing so can lead to serious or even fatal incidents. Rule 10: stop work if something feels unsafe. You have the right to refuse unsafe work. If something feels risky or unsafe, stop immediately. Inform your supervisor and only resume work once the hazard has been controlled. Bonus rule: always stay alert. Fatigue, stress, and distractions can cause accidents. Stay rested, stay focused, and stay aware of your surroundings. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, The HSE Coach. Also, press the bell icon so you never miss any future updates. Till then, stay safe, and I will catch you in the next video.